Hello tech aficionados! Today we are immersing ourselves into the world of agriculture machines. Ever wondered how these incredible futuristic marvels are reshaping farming in ways we couldn't have dreamed of decades ago? Well, you're about to find out. Stick around! Two wheat harvesters operating in tandem, a harmonious blend of efficiency in the golden fields, showcasing remarkable teamwork. Observe the soybean harvester as it adeptly collects the crop, guaranteeing a bountiful harvest in a single pass, a truly impressive feat. I'm amazed at the strawberry picking robot, flawlessly performing its task, exemplifying the ideal fusion of technology and agriculture efficiency. With precision, these machines sort and package apples, transforming fresh produce into market-ready delights in just 1 hour. Those bunches of grapes look delicious. I want to know where to buy them. In the blink of an eye, this machine expertly wraps grass bales with nylon, making it the ultimate tool for hay packing efficiency. A timeless and perfect tool for farming, this machine perfectly prepares the most conditions for new crops. Watching the sugarcane harvester in action is truly amazing. My eyes are glued to the screen. An impressive sight, the sunflower harvester swiftly collects a mountain of seeds. I was unaware of the process for collecting royal jelly before, but now I have the answer. Let's see how perfectly he trims grass in front of his house. Nothing can survive with these systems. Extremely impressive. Wow, a master in cutting vegetables. Do you know the purpose of cutting sugar canes like this? Like picking a flower, this machine easily cuts a large branch in a second. Using tree shaking technology for nut harvesting, an efficient gathering of tree nuts with this incredible machine. Have you felt the sweetness from the bees yet? The Kit Kat production line is so amazing. Can't believe my eyes as it crafts these iconic chocolate bars with precision. The mango water bottling line is truly impressive, as it rapidly fills the sealed bottles with refreshing mango goodness. The tea leaves cutting machine efficiently prepares tea leaves for processing in just 1 hour. This careful selection of duck eggs ensures quality and showcases the incredible art of egg selection. The fire-powered straw stubble remover is an astonishing method for clearing fields, offering an efficient and fiery solution. With the special spreader, the chicken coop will always be dry and clean. The water channel digger is a vital agricultural tool, efficiently creating drainage systems in a single pass to prevent waterlogging. Simultaneously ploughing and mulching with one machine is the most efficient tool for farming. It truly is an impressive machine, isn't it? The chicken catching machine is a precise and efficient method for gathering poultry. The ice cream slicer, ensuring even and perfect cuts, an amazing tool for serving up delicious frozen treats. The fertilizer sprayer rapidly and evenly nourishes crops, almost in the blink of an eye. This ploughing machine is truly a timeless and perfect tool for farming. The grass collector machine quickly transforms cut grass into manageable bales. The tree felling machine is an efficient and precise tool for forestry, capable of transforming forests in just 1 hour. The tree stump grinder efficiently transforms tree stumps into wood chips, providing an incredible solution for land clearance. It's genuinely remarkable. With skillful hands, those rough and tough pieces of wood are effortlessly crafted into various shapes. The precision of the automatic greenhouse grass cutting robot is truly amazing. It's truly a revolution of gardening. They're really clever in inventing improved methods to transport agricultural products easily in all terrains. Prepare to be amazed by the impressive dedication of ripe peach farmers to get the freshest peaches to customers. Unbelievable! This efficient process yields a bountiful harvest in just 1 hour. The potato conveyor belt efficiently transports the harvest into storage, ensuring the perfect preservation. With a double-duty farming marvel, a bountiful harvest season lies ahead. The bell pepper picking robot is a futuristic agricultural invention that efficiently gathers bell peppers. Indeed, it's a breathtaking beauty in the gifts bestowed by nature. This irrigation system for Christmas tree farming is truly impressive, ensuring these festive trees get the perfect hydration they need. Machines now become more popular in many tasks of farming. It's so easy, right? Let's harvest the delicious gifts of nature. How fast this farmer plants onions in the row! The dual bale compressor, compressing 2 hay bales at once. An amazing efficiency boost in the world of farming and foraging. The mango sorting machine perfectly categorizes ripe fruits in just one pass, ensuring top quality mangoes for market shelves. This truck swiftly collects hay bales with ease, saving time and labor costs for farmers. A chicken farm where young poultry thrives. In just a short time, they'll grow into healthy and productive hens. Look, the white radishes are easily and quickly pulled from the ground. I never imagined that these perfect crepes were made by a machine. The tree climbing machine is truly an astonishing way to reach new heights for harvesting. It's like uncovering a sweet treasure trove of nature. This hazelnut harvester efficiently collects the crop in just one pass. Truly impressive. Indeed, a skilled sheep shearer, isn't she? There are no words left to describe this scene. The presence of machinery in agriculture and processing has become very familiar to many people, and this is a prime example. The soil will become more crumbly, and even weeds cannot survive in the presence of this machine. In just one pass, this vehicle ensures safe and efficient winter transportation. The mesmerizing potato processing line swiftly transforms potatoes into diverse products. Impressive! The hay bale compressor efficiently turns loose hay into compact bales, an amazing tool for forage handling. By using a small door, he can easily classify the sheep. The water bottling line is mesmerizing, quickly filling the ceiling bottles for refreshing hydration. Let's see how this tree transplanting excavator carefully uproots trees for relocation. A high-tech electric tractor for farmers. Its strength is so impressive. The triple-row grass tiller efficiently readies soil in a single pass, making it the ideal tool for larger-scale agriculture. This vacuum is so efficient in collecting jujubes on the ground. Do you have any ideas about the use of this machine? Drop your comments below. This special machine helps farmers a lot in some tasks of farming. Have you ever seen this special tool for cows before? So, this is how farmers grow tens of hectares of chili peppers in a short period of time. And that's a wrap on today's exploration of agriculture machines. Which machine left you in awe? Share your thoughts in the comments. And remember, in farming, as in life, innovation leads the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest farm tech adventures. See you soon!